Hello there. Welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. Thank you to all my returnees and subscribers. I hope and I wish you had a good Christmas. Anyway, today we're going to, as I said last week, I'm going to be sewing the short sleeves, I should say. Okay, this is straightforward, simple, and I'm going to follow the instruction sheet, so I'm not going to take you to the machine. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is join the back facing, serge all around it, and then do the front too, serge the self facing, and then serge all around it, and then I'll be back. Okay, because simple. Okay, so, and this also suggests for shoulder pad. I don't know if I'm going to use it yet. I'm gonna, when I finish, maybe I'll try it on and see if I need the shoulder pad, then I'll put it in. If not, I'll just leave it out. But hold on, I'll be right back. Thank you. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, this is how far I am. Okay, so now I have to put in the sleeves and hem it, and then we'll be all done. But one thing I want to show you too, whenever I use a different fabric from what they suggest, here I make a small, because it's a cowl neck, it has to go down. I make a small pocket. I don't know, is it pocket? Pouch? Anyway, it's a small, this thing. And just to put it, I'll put drapery, the smallest drapery weight. I put it in there, and then I'll hang it in the middle of the front neck to pull it down, to bring the weight of the gathering, the cowl neck down. So I don't have any weight here, so I couldn't show you. I thought I had. The one that I have is a big one, but there's a smaller size that looks like this. Drapery weight for the ends of the drapes to keep the ends straight down. So I get that one, and then I put it in here. I stick the end close, and then I put it at the middle. I'll sew it at the middle of the front self facing, and it keeps it down. Okay, so that's what I do different when it comes to this type of blouse, and I'm using a different fabric than what they suggested. Okay, now I had to go back and put in the sleeves, hem it, and then I'll be back. Today is very short and sweet. I'll be right back. Hold on. Hello there, I'm back. The blouse is all done. This is the wrong side. That's the sleeves, the neck, and this is the front, and that's the weight I was talking about. Okay, and the hem and everything is done. Let me turn the right side out. And I noticed this blouse fits slim. If you're using the same pattern, I know the other patterns that had the same design, like Simplicity, Butterwork, McCall's, they all have this similar cowl neck blouse. Okay, so if you're using this particular one, it fits very slim. That's the back. The back. And that's the front. So we are done. As I said, it's just simple, straightforward. Okay, there we go. So this is the end of the video. Have a early good new year and a prosperous new coming year. Okay, so I'll see you in the new year. Thank you. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next year. Bye bye. Stay safe.